Guten Morgen. Welcome to the kitchen. This is Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to start studying some German foods. We're making German recipes in our class today, and today we're going to make RADISH, which is a German radish salad. Now, in Germany, the radish salad is usually made with a daikon or white radish. However, in the U.S., it's really difficult to find white radish, so we're just going to use regular red radish, and I was lucky enough to get this beautiful watermelon radish from Fresh Direct. Thank you, Fresh Direct. And to this, we're going to have some chives, and we're going to serve it over a bed of arugula, and we're going to make a dressing from sour cream, mayonnaise, sugar, sea salt, white pepper, and some vinegar. It's a very simple recipe. So let me get everything mise en place, and I'll show you how to make it.
Hello friends, I appreciate you being here. Please watch the video to the end so you can see the whole recipe, and help me out. Would you please click like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more recipes.
So for our watermelon radish, I am going to peel it first, and then I'm going to cut it in half and slice half moons out of this. It's pretty big, so let me work on that first. Now it's completely up to you. You could cut this on a mini mandolin or use the peeler to peel really thin slices. I think I like this as my decoration on top, so I'll set that aside for the decor. Sorry, for the garnish. And then I'll use our knife and cut really thin slices, maybe quarter it, for our salad. Here we go, aren't they pretty? So if you can get a watermelon radish, fantastic, because they're just so beautiful and they're a little milder than the regular red radish. If you can't, don't worry, just use regular radishes. We'll get this into our bowl, and then I'll start cutting up our regular radishes. I'm gonna wash these. I'm gonna use about 6 to 8 of them. So I'm using the peeler. I'm gonna peel the top and the bottom of the radish, and then cut it half, and then slice these little pretty nice half moons, again, as thin as I possibly can. Not so thin that I need the peeler, but pretty thin, and we'll put them in our bowl, and then we'll make our dressing. We're gonna begin our dressing, and I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and to that we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of chopped chives, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now, if you don't have kosher salt, that's fine. Regular table salt will do. I just like the taste of this kosher sea salt. I really do. Love it. So I'm not sure if you can see, but just a pinch of the white pepper. And we're just going to whisk this together with my little mini whisk and get a nice dressing made. This is a lovely dressing, and we're just going to toss it right over the radish. Here we go, and just toss this up and get it completely coated. And now I'm just gonna serve it on top of a bed of arugula. And this is enough for 2 to 4 people. And get a nice pile of our radish right on top of the arugula. And now I'm gonna garnish it with a couple of the thin shavings of the watermelon radish. See how pretty that is? Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? The vibrant colors are so nice. It's so unusual. There we go. And also a couple of pieces of thinly peeled shavings of regular red radish. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this looks absolutely beautiful. I put some chives on top too. So let me get a taste and let you know how delicious this is. Look. Yum. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. I love radish, and that just made it even more interesting. I've never had a salad like this before, so please try it. Come back and check out all of my new videos. I do about 2 a week, and I have over 460. And I am traveling around the world with my students. I teach culinary arts at a middle school in New York City, and we love to explore the cuisine of the world. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel, and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.